Hi everyone, it's Leo here from Dreams Factory. Today we have the Huracan here. The owner wants to change its wrap to yellow color. From what we have seen in this Huracan is that this light blue wrap is actually quite pretty new. But we think that the owner wanted to change the color to another one is because that it has some flaws for this current wrap. Okay, so as you can see from the front panel here, there's a very obvious joint line which doesn't look nice in this way. It doesn't look uniform. And at the rear end, the spoiler area here has a joint line as well, which also spoils the aesthetic value of the car. So in Dreams Factory, we don't join the stickers together when wrapping, but instead, we will wrap the whole body piece in one. Look at this. This is not nice. Now, have a look at this here. You can see there's a very obvious bubble air trap in the wrap. This may be due to bad wrapping skills or poor quality stickers. So right now, we are trying to fix this and rewrap the car. Right, so here is it, our final product. The Huracan retouched and rewrapped with a new yellow color. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video and we will catch you guys with the next one. Cheers!